Braves hosting the Phillies to open the second half. It's 2-0 Phils when Jason Hayward leads off the home second against A.J. Burnett.
As Hayward drives one deep to right field. That baby's gone.
Hayward's 9th of the season, and the Braves weren't done. Later in the inning, runners at the corners. B.J. Upton up with 2 outs. Into left field, it scores Christian Bettencourt, 500th career RBI for B.J. Upton. And the Braves still weren't done. The very next batter's Andrelton Simmons.
Line drive left field, that's going to get down. Sizemore up. His throw will be cut off. And 2 more runs score. Andrelton Simmons singles home a pair and takes second on the throw, and Atlanta leads 4-2.
A big second inning for the Braves. Now to the 5th inning. It's 5-2 Braves. Runners on first and second with 2 outs. Tommy La Stella up, and La Stella adds to that lead. Up the middle into center field. Jason Hayward scores. It's a 4-run cushion for Atlanta. They go in front 6-2. Now top of the 6th, Irvin Santana facing Ryan Howard. Nobody out. Runners on second and third. He bloops one into shallow left field. That scores 2. Jimmy Rollins and Chase Utley, and it's a 6-4 game. So Howard's on first as the tying run with nobody out, but the Phillies couldn't get anything done. Cody Ashe grounds out to first. Nice play by Freddie Freeman to end the inning. Braves out of trouble. Top of the 8th inning, it's Howard up again, this time against Jordan Walden. Into right field. What a play by Jason Hayward. Great grab by Hayward as they win their second half opener 6-4. Every Atlanta starter reached base. The Braves win their 3rd in a row, moving them a game ahead of Washington in the National League East. Earlier Friday, the Braves gave Dan Uggla his unconditional release. Tyler Pastornicki was recalled from AAA Gwinnett.